Hello, this is the Real Dog Bowl, and I just want to show you my stuff. BG's Big Adventure. Ham Ham Clubhouse with that, and the movie bowl. One more thing I want to show you. Be right back. And two more things. I got this little bolt from Win-Win Mall, and gotta get everything off. Check this out. The poster of Hamtaro. Gotta collect the stickers. Yeah, it's fun doing. And not lastly, my bolt's drying. Thank you for watching.